Today we're going to demonstrate our newest integration, CData, and this video is going to be about the credential authentication. So first thing we need to go is to CData. In CData, you can go on the left-hand side to settings, and the user will be using our portal is quite simple, but in this case, we'll look at the user admin, and we've got this auth token. Make sure to get the string value of the auth token, and move on to Orchestra and create a new connection. This is on the integrations tab on the left hand side. We're going to create a new connection. We need to look for CData. The connection we're going to call is going to be demo CData. Demo CData connection. The server URL, the auth token is the one we had, and I showed you in CData, and the URL is the one at the top of our URL portal. So we get that server URL and we paste it here. That should give us a valid connection. So that's validated with CData. So now we've got Orchestra connected with CData. And in the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to use this integration in one of our Orchestra pipelines to trigger a CData sync job. So see you in the next video.